If you're a driver, having a dash cam in your car can provide peace of mind and a sense of security while on the road. A dash cam can record accidents, close calls, and criminal activity, providing crucial evidence for insurance claims and legal cases. With so many dash cams on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one for your needs. In this video, we'll highlight the top 5 best dash cams available based on features, functionality, and customer reviews to help you make an informed decision when purchasing a dash cam for your vehicle. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Our number 5 pick is the Car and Driver Dash Cam. Car and Driver is a well-known brand in the world of automotive journalism, and their dash cam Rode is a product that reflects their expertise. The dash cam Rode is a high-quality dash cam that comes packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what makes the Car and Driver Dash Cam Rode a top contender in the market. First off, the video quality of the dash cam Rode is exceptional. It records at 1080p resolution, which provides a clear and detailed picture of the road ahead. The camera's wide-angle lens ensures that you capture everything in your field of vision, and the image stabilization feature helps to minimize any shaky footage. The dash cam Rode also has night vision capability, so you can record clear footage even in low-light conditions. One of the most impressive features of the Car and Driver Dash Cam Rode is its driver assistance system. This system includes lane departure warning and forward collision warning, which are both designed to improve safety while driving. The lane departure warning system uses visual and audio alerts to let you know when you're drifting out of your lane, while the forward collision warning alerts you when you're getting too close to the car in front of you. In addition to its safety features, the dash cam Rode also has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can easily transfer files to your smartphone or tablet. This makes it easy to view and share footage, even when you're on the go. The camera also has a G sensor, which automatically saves and locks footage when it detects an impact or sudden movement. Our number 4 pick is the Rexing V14K Ultra HD Car Dash Cam. The Rexing V14K Ultra HD Car Dash Cam is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use device that captures crystal-clear footage of your travels on the road. It has a sleek and discreet design that fits perfectly on your car's dashboard without obstructing your view. The Rexing V1 is equipped with a high-end Sony Exmor IMX335 image sensor that records video at 4K resolution and captures images at 12 MP. This advanced sensor allows the camera to capture more detail and clarity, even in low-light conditions, providing you with clear and vivid images that make identifying details like license plates, street signs, and the faces of individuals much more accessible. One of the standout features of the Rexing V1 is its wide-angle lens that captures a 170-degree field of view, ensuring that it records everything happening in front of you. The camera also includes a G sensor, which automatically detects and saves video files in the event of a collision, and a loop recording feature that allows continuous recording even when the memory card is full. The Rexing V1 is easy to install, with a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. The device is also Wi-Fi enabled, which means you can easily access and download footage on your smartphone, tablet, or computer via the dedicated app. The app also allows for live streaming, which enables you to monitor the camera footage in real time, even when you're not in the car. The Rexing V1 comes with a 256 GB memory card, which provides ample storage space for your video files. The camera supports up to 256 GB of memory, which means you won't have to worry about running out of storage space anytime soon. Our number 3 pick is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 has a sleek and compact design that makes it a great choice for drivers who want a discreet dash cam. It measures just 1.21 by 2.10 by 1.12 inches and weighs only 1.29 ounces. The camera is powered by a small adhesive mount that attaches to your windshield, and it has a 140-degree wide-angle lens that captures a wide view of the road. It also features an automatic incident detection system, which automatically saves footage when it detects an accident or incident. The device has a 2.0-inch LCD screen that displays recorded footage and allows you to adjust settings. It supports up to 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, providing clear and detailed footage. It also includes a microSD card slot that can support up to 256 GB of storage. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 offers excellent performance with its high-quality video recording and advanced safety features. The camera records sharp and clear video footage, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its HDR technology. The device also includes a feature called Driver Awareness that provides alerts for forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and go alerts when stopped traffic in front of you starts moving again. The device has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to connect the camera to the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone. This enables you to access live view, change settings, and download footage from the camera directly to your phone. Our number 2 pick is the Nextbase 622 Gigawatts front and rear dash cam. The Nextbase 622 Gigawatts front and rear dash cam is a premium quality camera that boasts a range of impressive features. It is a dual camera system, which means that it can record footage from the front and the rear of your vehicle simultaneously. This is a great feature for those who want to have full coverage of their car at all times. One of the standout features of the Nextbase 622 Gigawatts is its 4K Ultra HD recording capabilities. This means that the camera can record high-quality footage with incredible detail and clarity, making it easy to capture number plates, road signs, and other important details. The camera also has a wide dynamic range (WDR) function, which ensures that footage is clear and detailed even in low light conditions. Another impressive feature of the Nextbase 622 Gigawatts is its emergency SOS function. In the event of an accident, the camera can automatically alert emergency services with your location and other important details. This can be a life-saving feature in the event of a serious accident. The Nextbase 622 Gigawatts also comes with a variety of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. This means that you can easily transfer footage to your phone or other devices, and also track your location and speed while driving. In terms of design, the Nextbase 622 Gigawatts is sleek and stylish, with a compact and low-profile design that won't obstruct your view while driving. The camera also comes with a handy magnetic mount, making it easy to install and remove the camera as needed. Our number 1 pick is the Rove R24K dash cam. The Rove R24K dash cam is a popular and well-regarded dash cam that promises top-of-the-line video quality and reliable performance. As someone who has been using this dash cam for several months now, I can attest to its effectiveness and ease of use. One of the most impressive features of the Rove R24K dash cam is its video quality. This dash cam is capable of recording in 4K resolution, which is 4 times the resolution of a 1080p HD camera. The resulting footage is incredibly sharp and detailed, allowing you to capture license plates, road signs, and other important details with ease. In addition to its video quality, the Rove R24K dash cam has a number of other features that make it a great option for anyone in the market for a new dash cam. One of these features is its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to easily transfer footage from the camera to your smartphone or tablet. This can be incredibly useful if you need to quickly send footage to your insurance company or the police. The Rove R24K dash cam also has a built-in GPS module, which can provide valuable information in the event of an accident. This module tracks your location and speed, which can be used to determine who is at fault in a collision. Additionally, the dash cam has a G-sensor that can detect sudden movements or impacts, automatically saving the relevant footage to prevent it from being overwritten. To know the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links in the description. You can comment below if you have any questions about these 5 products. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.